In this video, I will show you how to lock apps on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, you do need to have iOS 18. This is available as part of the new iOS update. So if you don't have iOS 18, what I will do is leave a link to a tutorial I did on how to upgrade to iOS 18, which will be in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you've gone ahead and got iOS 18, part of iOS 18, there is a new feature that enables you to actually lock apps. So to go ahead and lock apps, all you need to do is simply select the app that you want to lock. So let's take, for example, Discord. And what you want to do is actually press and long hold onto the app itself. And what it's going to do is bring up this small menu. Now you can see there's actually going to be an added option which says require Face ID. So what this effectively does is it locks the app and it does require your Face ID to open up the app. Now if we go ahead and select the option to require Face ID, what it's going to do is bring up a window like this, and as you can see it says this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in this app. So all you need to do is press require Face ID. Once that's done, as you can see there's going to be an animation at the top which is going to scan your face, and every time you now try to open up the app, what it's going to do is ask for your Face ID to open up the app. If you come out of the app and you try to open it again, even though the app's still open in the background, it's going to do the Face ID every single time. So the app is actually fully locked. Now, if at any point you want to unlock the app, all you need to do again is simply press and long hold onto the app itself. And as you can see, we're going to get a menu come up and an option which says don't require Face ID. So what you can do is select this option and it's going to require you to scan your face to remove the lock. But once it's scanned your face, you will now see we can go ahead and open the app as normal without the app being locked. So that is how to lock apps on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.